So the ESO-WSO 2020 Joint Conference is going to be a great conference for our young investigators, both for young stroke clinicians and also for young researchers. We have a very strong emphasis on the programme on the cutting edge, the advances in stroke care, but we also have a very strong focus on teaching workshops, and they're both hands-on workshops and lecture-based workshops. One of the other things that we're very proud of as an organisation is that we have a real focus on youth when it comes to speakers. So it's very clear that in future years, if somebody engages with the conference, if they submit their work, they give oral presentations, that they will be invited as speakers in future years. It's a very nurturing environment, and one of our core aims is to bring people through the system so that one day they'll be chairing the conference at a young age like myself, or chairing sessions and giving lectures.